What's going on, everybody? What is happening? Hey, welcome back to the channel. Another day of day trading. Another day of working this Apex accounts. Getting rolling. Y'all know, follow me really quickly. I've been trading. My name is Jeff. I've been trading for 18 years. Primarily option trading. That's my specialty. Been day trading the futures for 5 years. S&P. This year, I'm doing something different. This year, I'm using a brand new charting system, Sierra Charts, brand new strategies, Rinko bars. Never looked at that before. And we're working with prop firms, brand new to that. So 2025, trying to pass these evaluations and get some PAs, baby. Sit back, relax, because again, we're using this month as a learning. This whole January, we're perfecting our signals. Come February, we're going to go at this hardcore. So that's what we got. It's going to be a good day. Let's see what we're going here. Again, I'm still practicing. All right. I got a couple other things I'm going to try out today. Once I get that down, it's game time. Okay? Game time. All right. Let me get things going here. Put this over here. Good to go. It's going to be a good day, my friends. Hopefully y'all doing well. Look at that. Looky. All right. Got a couple minutes before the market opens. Again, I'm still working on my signals. This is new to me. Not trading these damn Rinko charts. Hang on. What's going on, Jeff?
Hey, Jeff. Good morning.
What's happening, man? Today, it's going to be great.
Just sitting here watching my favorite YouTube personality talking about XRP.
Hey, I appreciate that, brother. It's a good video. I mean, there's some good stuff happening, my man.
Yeah, you've been shooting some good videos, man. Keep up that good work.
Hey, thank you, brother. Thank you, brother. Let me tell you, man, I've got some fantastic stuff today. I'm going to talk as we get rolling. A lot of back testing, a lot of thinking, a lot of processing, using my trading knowledge. So today's still going to be a testing day, but I have a great feeling that we're getting really close. And today, here's what I'm going to do. Again, I'm still testing. What I'm going to test today is I'm not going to test a break-even stop. I'm going to use 30-30, no break-even stop. I'm going to test that out. But we got a long day, and we're going to be doing a lot of talking. So that's what I think, Jason, what's going on, brother? Jason is, I don't know if he's going to test the break-even. So we're going to kind of see, is it better to do break-even stop or just go for it? Go for it. So anyway, I got a lot of good stuff to talk about as we go throughout the day. So
sounds good, man.
I mean, really good. Jason, I sent you that message that she replied to me, and look, it's happening right now. Right now. So we'll see what happens. See what happens. Again, I'm still testing out the month of I'm still testing out this month. I have 3 accounts. They say they renewed today. I don't know how it works, but we'll talk about it later. But right there, lower high at B23. All right, let's get it rolling. Here we go. Again, gonna test some stuff out. I don't care if I win or lose. That's not what it's about. What it's about right now is I really want to train my eye. What's going on, John?
Good morning, Jeff.
What's happening? Big day, my friend. Big day. It's not going to do too much talking yet, but I promise you, I'm going to do a lot of talking today. All right, let's get rolling here. Again, I got some really interesting stuff to talk about to the group. In our mastermind, a lot of interesting stuff so we can put our heads together today. But that lower high of B23 was exactly, Jason, what I sent you. So let's see. No break even. I will not do a break even today. I'm going to practice today 30-30, no break even stop. So let's see what happens. All right. Good luck. And let's make sure today we come out better today than we did yesterday. And I believe we are going to do just that. It's pretty violent here in the morning. I got two signals that I'm working on. MDX Extreme, MDX Divergence. MDX Extreme, MDX Divergence at a key level. That's where I'm at. No stop loss. All right. And again, it might be more beneficial to do a stop loss. So we'll see. That's the only thing I'm unsure about right now. So we have a higher high at B23. What's all her terminology at? Again, no break even. No break even. It is what it is. Win, lose, or draw. Okay. We're at a Fibonacci. We're getting a higher high at this Fibonacci. Double star on a 6. We did good. I mean, with the break even yesterday, we made quite a few break evens. The only thing I'm unsure about is, would that have made the full target? That I don't know. But we are going to go at it today. We're going to test this bad boy out. So we're getting a higher high at B23. No break even. That would have went to break even already. I'm not doing break even. That would have went to break even. That would have already went to break even. So I know it would have went to break even. It's crazy knowing it would have went to break even already. Bam! Target number 1. Well done. Higher high, B23, 150. Jason got break even. Okay, so you're testing the break even. I'm not. 150. Right there. Perfect signal. Higher high, B23, MDX divergence. Yeah, you test the break evens. That would have got break even, but instead, full target. I've got 3 signals I'm going to be working on today. I know I got the signals down awesome. It's just a matter of, is it going to be more beneficial to do break even stop or let it go? Brandon! But I can tell you what, man, I feel more confident today than I ever have after my massive testing last night, thinking about what Rebecca's been talking about. God. All right, so we're working our way down to the midline 50 Fibonacci. We are coming into BB2. Got us a lower low. Right, lower low. Okay, so we're at midline 50. We're below the 8. Midline 50. Again, I'm not going to do a break even today. So right here, we're below the 8. MDX Extreme. MDX Extreme. $55's angled down. We're below the 50, but we are extreme. I'm watching this candle for an MDX Extreme. We got to get back above the 50. I'm going to try to really work on some things and not just randomly take crap today. Okay. We're bouncing around lower low. We're kind of in thin air. We're right underneath this. But if this candle closes, we'll pop back up through that Fibonacci. And maybe that 55. Work our way back up to the 38.2. In the trade. No break even today, okay? Jason, you do the break even. Didn't trigger you? Huh. Remember, 30 might not be enough. We'll see. Yeah, that's weird. I don't know why that didn't trigger you. Bam! Another trade, baby. 2 for 2. 300. 2 for 2, 300. That might have got me at break even on that candle. 2 for 2, 300 bucks. Okay. So that's good news. 2 for 2, 300. That might have triggered me out at break even on that candle. Okay. Let's reset. Now we just wait. We're coming up into key level 38.2. Work on our way BB1. We are at a lower high. Momentum is heading down. We'll see if that OD32 can hold as resistance. It's pretty fast this morning. I'm only working on 2 signals this morning. MDX Extreme, MDX Reversal, or Divergence. Okay, we're at this key level. What's going to happen? Okay, bam, blew right through that key level. We hold this. Next stop, B23. Next stop, B23. Might pull back and test this key level for a pullback trade. I will be doing no pullback trades. Not a chance will I be doing pullback trades today. Now, I am not turning on for my MDX Extreme unless we come up to this level. Okay, I'm looking for an MDX Extreme trade off of B23. Right now we're in no man's land, so I don't want it. Yesterday I would have just turned it on right here. I'm not going to do that today. No. Okay, I'm looking for us to come up to B23. This dasher boom. Now we're getting a lower high. Again, we're kind of in no man's land right now. This could pull back, bounce off 55, and take off to 23. It's flopping around like a little noodle. So I will not turn on my trade. I am going to be looking at everything today needing a key level. Everyone today. Okay, the one we took over here was at a key level, right? It was right at that B23. I won't take a trade in thin air. Okay, we're coming up into resistance B23, dash of boom. We might get some pullbacks as we work our way up. It could come back and bounce off of the 55 before going up. But next stop, 23. Next stop, 23, which is TB1. Okay, doing things a little bit different today after a lot of back testing and thinking. And also, I asked Rebecca a question that just kind of reaffirmed what I was thinking. Not taking this. Yesterday, I would have taken this trade. Not today. Patient. Be patient. Once we start trading these real accounts, we don't need a lot of trades. This is a trade that I would have taken yesterday. Not taking it today. Not yet. Not just randomly taking stuff today. I don't care if it would win or not. Bam. See, I've been stopped out. That would have stopped me out if I would have taken that trade. Look at the wick. Okay, now we're coming into here. This is a good opportunity in the afternoon to take a diamond. I'm not taking diamonds in the morning. They're too volatile. Okay. Now we broke back through that. All right. That would have got me. I would have got in and got stopped out, and it would have taken off. We're sandwiched in between two more key levels. Slow stochastic is still kind of grinding to the downside. S&P's up 22. Nasdaq's up 104. Brandon, my man. Good to see you back, Brandon.
Thanks, man. Good to be back in the saddle.
You got it, my brother. We are doing nothing but moving forward. Moving forward. Yesterday was kind of, to me, at the end of the day, man, for some reason, it kind of just all clicked. The only thing I'm unsure about is whether I have a break-even stop or just leave it 30-30. Today, I've decided to leave it 30-30, no break-even stop. And that's just kind of the way that I'm going to do it today. I'm going to experiment with that. I know Charles always says get the break-even as soon as possible. And I agree. But I'm going to try to give it a little bit more room today. I'm only doing 30 ticks, though, so it's still not much. Kind of in the middle here between working our way up to this dash of boom, B23. We got another dash of boom over here, which would be that kind of that TB1, all right? Okay, whatever the fuck that is. Now remember, 55 is also equally as strong as the Fibonacci. So today I will also be focusing on that. When we get into the mastermind, we're going to do a lot of talking. I have no problem. You know me. I don't hold nothing back. Whatever I feel like I'm learning or wanting to learn, I share it with the group in our mastermind so we can all watch it together. I don't, just saying, oh, I hope one person does. No, we're here to help each other out. It's cool. Pull back to OD32. Okay, key level, right? My little notes. War zone, right? As long as we're above 382, that is the war zone. Look at that. Rejection off the 55. Okay, rejection off the 55. We're coming into a key level. We could still pull back, work on our way up to that dasher boom B23. This one might go, but I'm going to wait. Still flopping around. We might go up to TB1. This could roll over from here, though. We did come into a dasher boom. We do have a lower high. I look at it as kind of an equal high, but for all intents and purposes, it's a lower high. I know exactly what signals I'm looking for today. Okay, so we're coming into B23. Right here, Fibonacci key level. Okay, Fibonacci key level could roll over from here. Okay, so this bad boy is gone. This bad boy is gone. So we are now back above this. So now we're going up here to L21. Line 21. All right. Working our way TB3. That's good. We're right there on LB. I'm going to look for an MDX extreme trade at this level. We break that, we gone. Then it's just the high of the day. This bad boy is free to go to the moon. So MDX extreme change, we're getting a higher high at line 21, Fibonacci key level. We can go back from here. So we're getting a swing high at an MDX extreme. Oh, wow. Bam, broke through it. That trade is off the table. Once we get to this high, though, and we're way up here. We're above line 21. We're coming into that big area right here. I'm watching right here. This is a tricky one for me. Okay, I'm turning it on. MDX Extreme. We're at a high. We are in uncharted waters, right? Like that song. Uncharted water. MDX Extreme trade coming. We do got to watch out, though. We got line 21. But bam, this has moved up a lot. We're at the high of the day. Things are bullish. But I am looking for an MDX Extreme. This bad boy just keeps going up. You know, we are approaching like there's nothing above. It's blue skies, right? We could go all the way back here to line 21 too. Damn, this is rocking. Anybody who's trend trading is just trying to ride this trend. I mean, this is what you live for. Just unfortunately, I don't have any system that allows me to do it. I got 3 signals I'm focusing on from now on. That's it. And right now, we're just going up, and I can't chase. I don't want to chase. In a real account, I'm going for between $450 and $700 a day. That's it. And I'm focusing 100% on 3 signals. I'm going to talk all about those signals today. Right now, though, we do have stack. We're screaming to the upside. Pullback trade heaven. If you're a pullback trader, which I have decided that's not me. I can't seem to win ever when I do that damn. I'm not going to call it a pullback. I'm going to call it a wick trade. A wick. I can't never seem to win on those damn wick trades. So I've got the MDX Extreme locked and loaded. And no break even. Kind of got me leery about doing no break even, but I'm just going to try to stick with that today. It's 1-to-1. You know, we lose, we win, we break even. You know, maybe as we get going, we can do more than that. But right now, all I can think of is 1-to-1, because I believe if we put a 15 tick stop loss, I believe we're going to get killed. This is going straight up. Look at that pullback. There's a wick. Look at that wick trade. Yeah, I got to get the terminology. Wick trade. I ain't doing no wick trades. Who's making a... Hey, what's going on, Dr. Vince? Bianca? All right. I'm hardly looking at YouTube because things are moving so high-powered. Again, we are, I don't know what to tell you, but we are in a high of a day. We do have a resistance level up here, 21,780, but shit. We have just blasted off of BB3. Eventually, we got to take a break, right? But this could take a break and go right into a diamond and stop us out. All right. Should get us into the trade if we roll over. No break even. Diamond. This could stop us, but I'm not going to move it. It is what it is. If it stops you out, it stops you out. It is what it is, guys. It is what it is. There's no adjustments today. No adjustments. I'm accepting it. It's either going to hit my target or it's going to stop me out. Bam! 3 for 3, baby. 450 bucks. That's good. Jason got break even. So that's twice that you break even and it went to full target. Okay. On a normal day, I might shut this account down, baby. On a normal day, this account might be shut down. Three for 3 today. Well, right now. All right, we're coming into line 21 and B23. Let's see how we react at this key level. Okay, so I'm going to look for another MDX. Well, no. Yeah, I'm going to look for another MDX Extreme at this key level right here. Higher low, B23. We could bounce, and we could work our way back up. Right? We'll see. Could roll over as a diamond. MDX Extreme. I mean, we went from one extreme to the other extreme. But it could get a diamond, which is fine. You just take your shots, right? It is what it is. All right, back in the trade. No adjustments. If this diamonds, it's going to stop us out. Whoa, come on. Bam! 605. 4 for 4. 4 for 4, baby. 605. I'm telling you, man. Last night I did so much processing and so much thinking. I'd be done 100%. This account would be shut off, and I would do another account. 605. That is plenty for a day's work. All right. We're kind of sandwiched in the middle, no man's land. Hey, in 25 minutes, not too bad, right? Again, when I come February, when I start back at these evaluations, this is all I'm going for, man. I'm not going to try to get my thing in one day. I'm literally looking for, at $450 to $700 range. That's it. That's what I want to do today, a day consistently. If we can make this every day consistently, we're going to rock it, man. All right. Wow. Things are still going crazy. Things are still going crazy. We're at line 21. We have a higher low. Line 21. Also Bollinger Band 23. See if this level holds as support. We do have a higher low at that level. This is not a divergence. This is just a higher low at a Fibonacci. Bouncing around, no problem. Could be an area that, bam, broke through line 21, coming into still another support level. Dash or boom. Patrick? All right, we're back in no man's land. Now, this could come up and diamond into this resistance area and then roll over and work its way down to 32. So I'm expecting this level to be hit, which would be about the VWAP area. I'm expecting price to work its way down to that level. No man's land. We are in no man's land. I do not take trades in no man's land. Okay? This is not an MDX extreme trade for me. It's in thin air. Come a little bit down. Bam. All right. And right at the level, key level, we'll see if this holds. MDX extreme. Lower low at a Fibonacci. Could work our way back up to B23. We do have a down sloping 55. Could get a diamond. Could stop us out. If we get a diamond, it'll stop us out. But this is an MDX extreme at our level. A diamond will stop us out. Okay? No adjustments. It is what it is. A diamond will stop us out. Okay. Oh, that time you got break even. All right. I lost that trade. 4 for 5. So, Jason, mark down all the times you got break even because that one was a loss. And again, it's going to win, but it came down and nicked us. But again, if it rolls over into a diamond, that's fine. All right. So I am going to go to, wow, we're in no man's land. No trade. I'm not going to take a trade in thin air, even though this is an MDX. Actually, if this goes, I'm going to turn it back on. MDX divergence. MDX divergence right here. If we break up through there, we could work our way back to B23. Again, the only thing that I'm unsure about is the break even or not. The signals, I got them. I really wish we could get a 2-to-1 though. The 1-to-1 is fine, but a 2-to-1's better. I'm afraid to put a 15 tick stop loss. Coming into line 55 over there on the other side. We're at VWAP. You know, if we get back above that 38, we could work our way to B23. Right now, that candle's just flopping around. Lower low, thin air. We could roll over from there, though, and drop back down to line 50, midline 50. Yeah, not having a break-even stop feels weird. I've been doing that break-even stop. That was kind of like that safety blanket, you know? That's my main goal today. Only trade my signals and really try to figure out, is it better to do break-even stop? Okay, keep that down, Jason. Okay, so I'm 4 wins, 1 loss. Right? How many losses do you have? Do you have any losses? Okay. See, that's good. Good. Okay, I'm turning it off. We're looking at an extreme. I'm going to turn it back on. This is an MDX extreme. Nah, turn it off. This is 2. We're back below everything right now. So I don't want to mess around. This could go all the way to the golden fib. All right, back on. Okay. So this is a tricky one. This is an MDX extreme right here. It could work its way back up here. Yeah. This is tricky, y'all. Is there an announcement or something? Okay, so we're at a Fibonacci, but I'm so worried that it's going to come into this other Fibonacci. This has got me, you know, the sweet 70. It could come up and hit this Fibonacci and roll over. I'm going to try an extreme trade, but if we pause right here, I might flat. So that's good, man. 2 wins, 2 break-evens, no losses. We got 4 wins, 1 loss. Look at this sumbitch. Hit that high and rolled its ass over.
There was an orange at 9 o'clock.
Oh, was there? Maybe
Pending
that.
home sales,
Oh,
and they were down to 5.5%.
oh, okay.
So whether that affected it or not,
More than
but
likely,
that was
right?
at 9 o'clock.
Cool. Appreciate it, brother. All right, so I'm going to cancel this trade. I don't like we're just falling like a rock. Well, you know what? I am going to go ahead and enable it. I am. Bam, got it. Got it. 5 for 6. Yeah, so I did it because we came down into this I knew we'd break back above this key level, and I wanted to be above that key level. So we're coming in right here to the golden Fibonacci. Which is our daily pivot. We could roll over from here to lower high. Oh, turn it off. I don't want that on. Make sure you have it. Turn it off. I almost left it on. So what a great, so far, 5 wins, 1 loss. And the 1 loss, well, it would diamond us out. We are going to do so much talking today in the mastermind because I'm going to get, yeah. So the reason why it was, I knew we were below the sweet fib, but I knew if this candle closed, it would be back above the Fibonacci. So we were actually below it, but I knew that if it closed as an MDX, it would put me back above it. That's why I took it. We could come here. We're just pulling back hard, and we could go. Okay? Again, we don't assume anything anymore. But that's why, Jason, swing low. I knew we'd break back above that level, and I figured if it went up, I could get the ticks before it went. Where did it go? Right to the golden fib. Isn't that interesting? Okay, we're Fibonacci as well as a line 55, 2 powerful areas. Let's see how we react. We're bouncing on BB. You know, this is our swing low daily pivot. We could break it. All right. So we're back up to our fib. All right. All right. All right. Here we go again, baby. Working on. Now, if this holds, we're going to midline 50. Let's see if this level holds. Nope. Pretty volatile right now. This is not our trade, though. Not our trade. Not right now. It's too volatile for me. Price action's not going to work this morning. Don't get suckered into the price action. Price action's not going to work here in the morning. It's moving too fast. Wow. Too fast. This will get people in trouble. A lot of people get in trouble here. Okay, there's a lot of congestion. All right, we have a dash of boom. We're back to the SS70. Line 55. So there's all sorts of levels trapped. I'm going to be honest. This is the best that I have felt since starting the program. Doesn't mean we're going to be winning or not. Again, I don't know, break even or not. But first thing is get, like even she was saying it yesterday. What is your your trade setups? I got them now. I know exactly. I'm telling you right now. You'll have no idea how much thought I put into this last night. And again, processing it. And I wanted to see it in real time today. And this is getting a good example. I'm staying out of these bad trades and I'm taking the good trades.
Looks like you're getting your triggers too.
Yeah, no, I mean, exactly. I'm telling you right now, I got three setups that I'm focusing on. That's it. 3. And I'll talk about them all today. Don't you worry. I hold nothing back. The only thing I wanted to go in today was to decide if it's better to do a break even or just let it go. And I decided today as a test, I'm not doing any break even. It's stop me out or hit my target. That's why Jace is doing a break even so we can analyze, all right, how did you do? But man, if these signals work out, I can do this shit every day, bro. I understand nothing's 100%. But the thing that I'm also struggling with is I would love to have a 2-to-1. I would love to have a 2-to-1 versus a 1-to-1. Because that forces us to win more. No, I'm taking MDX all day today. I have 3 signals, and when those signals present themselves, I'm taking them all day. All day. That's my primary signals. Hang on, I got a message. The only thing, too, is I don't know if we should do price action in the morning. It's pretty crazy. Charles said he went short, right? Yeah, no, I'm doing 3. And I'm going to talk about them offline in the mastermind all day. So I think it's died down. Well, honestly, yeah, I think I'm gonna start doing price action as well. So 5 for 6. 5 for 6 straight on our MDX trades. All right. Yeah. I'm going to bring over my my price action ones also now. They're back in the game as well. Okay, cool. All right. So we're coming up into ML50. This could be an MDX extreme trade. Yeah, I'm going to turn on the I'm going to turn it on. That's right at our ML50 and MDX extreme. It might go up a little bit more and hit it, but we do have a higher high at ML50. I'm looking at an MDX extreme trade, and then I'm going to actually look for also a price action trade. I don't even know what just happened. Something just happened. I think it triggered me in a price action and stopped something else out. Huh. What the hell? Is that what it was? Yeah. Again, I'm not doing a break even. This would have already got break even. This would have already got break even. Okay. So that one right there would have triggered break even. Wait, what's it doing? It says I'm in this trade. What's going on? See, that was a little tricky. I'm not even sure what just happened. Well, I know it was a loss, but it put me in an extra position. That's why we're practicing, right? Either way, that would have got break even, I know. And again, so, one of these things too, that trade right there, MDX, I think it lost. I think it jumped into a price action and it pulled back. So that was a MDX loss and a price action loss. All right. So let's see here. And again, that would have got break even. So I have one goal today. It's not about making money. I don't care. It's a sim account anyway. It's about the signals and deciding on the management. Because every price action trade we've done has been every price action trade that we've done has had a break-even stop. And that one would have got break-even stop. So we're at the golden fib, 55 down, lower high. Golden fib, 55, lower high. This is a price action trade. But I'm going to disable the price action trade right now. Okay? I'm going to disable it. So I'm not doing it right now. It's moving very fast. I don't know if I can handle the price action trade in the morning, to be honest with you. But I disabled it. Probably would win. But you see, well, you know what? We're at this Fibonacci. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and, I was going to go ahead and enable it. Yeah, we're at the fib. I'm going to go ahead and enable the price action. Oh, wow, it automatically got me in. I thought it had to go down a little bit more. Oh, well. So again, if this will be 2 stop outs of the price action. Again, this is deciding if I want to do this price action in the morning or not. Okay, I'm not sure. That would have got break even. I would be at break even right now. This is a good test. Yeah, that's break even, I know. So the price action trades, they might be our break evens. So this would have got break even. I'm going to make a note, man, because if this gets stopped out, this would have got break even. Well, it didn't get stopped out. Okay. I hit it. All right. So I got to take a break for a minute. Let me reset. Price action, 1 for 2. MDX, 5 for 7. Okay. MDX, 5 wins, 2 losses. Price action, 1 win, 1 loss. This is getting crazy. And my losses came right here, right? MDX went up, picked me off. That was a nice diamond. Would have got break even, sold off. That's fine. We're still up 510. We're at sweet 70, higher low. This is Rebecca would take this trade, I guarantee you. She would take this trade back up to the golden fib. I will not be doing that. But I know she'll take this trade probably up to this Fibonacci. I will not. Or she might have taken it at 50. Well, no, I don't think she would have taken it here. I think she would take it up to here. But I can't speak for her, but that's just what I'm thinking. We're at the daily pivot. Crazy. She's crazy. We'll see. I mean, again, I don't know what she would have done. She's really good, though. She might have just taken it at the 55. She always says if you are below the 55, take profit at the 55. But we have a higher low at a Fibonacci key level, so who knows? I personally think she'd run it up to golden fib. I'm going to tell y'all something. Entering in her room today is going to be a completely different experience than every other day. I'm actually seeing things now so much clearer. I think somebody else right now that's just randomly taking shit, I bet they're getting destroyed. All right. So we have a lower low at a fib. I'm going to look to do a MDX divergence trade, but I am very worried about this 6182 Fibonacci. So we have a lower low. So I'm going to be looking to take an MDX divergence trade. That's off the table. All right. So I'm off the table there, but we are coming into Rebecca line 80. So this might hook up and then roll over. Not yet. Not me. Might fake you out. It might go up. But, you know, I'm waiting for it to kind of come down a little bit. It might hit this and then roll down into that Fibonacci. Either way, I'm not taking it. Again, I'm learning, man. If I'm not clear, I would rather not take it. That probably would work. Maybe. That might have, you know, I might have stopped. I don't know. Either way, I didn't take it, so it don't really matter. I should have taken the price action, but wasn't even paying attention. Shit. It was a lower high. I wasn't even paying attention. Lower high off of Fibonacci. But I don't think that would have, well, yeah, that would have got target. That would have entered here, exit. I wasn't paying attention. That would have got in here and hit target. But I was not paying attention. I'm going to be totally honest with you. It's so fast right now. I'm looking forward to the afternoon when it's not as violent. I was at a swing low. Diamond. Well, hasn't confirmed a diamond. It would have basically just been a getting into it, anticipating the diamond. Right? I would definitely 1000% be done for the day. You know, maybe that 500, but I can guarantee you that this account would be shut off and I would move on to another account. I'm not gonna, like, if I get $500 in any account, you better believe that's getting shut off. Swing low. S&P's up 16. The market's kind of flat right this second. I mean, we're up, but we are coming into that low of the day. We broke through the support level. You know, we're sitting at that low. We could go all the way down here. I'm turning on for my divergence trade. We could work our way back up here to SS70. MDX divergence, maybe back up to SS70. Right? That's a Fibonacci. Right? What's the terminology she calls them? Sweet 70. No, maybe we can get up there. If we get up there to sweet 70, I might just dump it if it doesn't. We'll see. I'm in a trade, so it doesn't really matter. Might get nicked off first, though. No break even. It is what it is, right? It is what it is. It's dancing around. Yeah. You know, it is what it is. Bam! Boom, baby! 6 for 8. 6 for 8, baby. 6 wins, 2 losses. Way to go, man. This is beautiful. Now take a break. Take a break. Take a break. All right. We're at sweet 70. All right. So, my friends on YouTube, hopefully you enjoyed this. This was packed, baby. You want to join us in the mastermind group? You know what to do. Check down below in the description. It's also our private coaching. And hopefully you enjoyed that. That was powerhouse. We're gonna get in more, talk a little bit about this. We'll get into options here in a minute. We'll come back. There's a lot today. 6 for 8 on the MDX, 1 for 2. So a total today of 7 wins, 3 losses. All right, YouTube. See you tomorrow.